15 tests for insurance, ethical and legal insurance. Part 1. Ethical insurance in predictive genetic testing. A public health representative. Abstract. As a result of this increase in genetic testing and the fear of discommitments by insurance companies, employers, and society as a result of genetic testing, the display of either public health and genetical have covered other relatives of some with a positive predictive genetic testing should be notified of the result and risks in a matter urgently needed of the such a debated must encompass the moral and ethical obligation of diagnostics physician and the patient. The decision of the informed or not will vary depending on what morality theory it is utilizing on intellectual and liberation theory and product produced different outcome. The principles of justice and non-malfeasance will also played important role in the decision. Genetic testing in a relatively new and rapidly immigration field, yet public health has been involved in public policy and participate involving genetic testing for conditions such as flickers and stick cells disorders for some time. These articles will address earlier and currently emerging issues related to public health, primary care participation, and genetic testing. A number of cases from the lectures are reviewed, as well as the moral theories that have dominated public health and medical since the United States. Suggestion or made regulation and education for public health and medical practitioners which is specifically related to the emerging ethical dilemmas posed by the growing availability of productivity genetic tests. There are three forms of genetic testing: diagnostic, career, and productive testing. Diagnostic testing involves identifying the current results test. This includes potential and newborn screening, the most common forms of genetic testing. Career testing determines when an individual carries a certain genetic trait. Is person genetic strains and compromise of two sarcomas, one inherited from his her mother and one from his her father. If a genetic discourse in dominate, the disease characteristic will be expressed when a person has an abnormal circumstance. If his genetic results is received, it results characters a person when the individual has two abnormal circumstances. If this disease is like to disease characteristics will be present in males. The third type of genetic testing, productivity testing, used to determine whether a person has a genetic machine. It will lead to late onset discord. The type of testing is usually considered testing of the otherwise health. Individually with a positive family history and no substance disease. Example of the disaster for which genetic testing are available of immunities and disorders, crystal fiber, brain cancer, Down's syndrome, Stakes call, antenna, and physical failure. Thank you.